To raise a glass to inclusivity, Lynn and Sean are here to celebrate the opening of Salt Lake City's first gay sports bar, The Locker Room. Welcome to the show, both of you.
Sweet, thanks for having us.
Thank you so much.
We are happy to have you. Okay, what inspired you to start this business, Lynn?
You know, we just felt we were both athletes and we wanted to have a space that the queer community can come to kind of bring all the athletes out. We want a space that you can come eat some dinner, watch a game, and enjoy a great time and have a conversation with your friends.
Yes, have a good time.
Yeah.
Okay, what about you, Sean?
This is something Lynn and I have been talking about this for a while. There isn't anything like that here. We don't. There's no roadmap to what a gay sports bar is, especially in such a conservative state like Utah. So it was an idea that we had. We were able to seize the opportunity, and we're going to make it go with it.
And you are open since August, correct?
Yes,
okay.
August 17th.
August 17th. Okay, what does this mean to you to pioneer something like this, you know, that fills an open niche in our community?
Again, it comes to, we don't necessarily have a roadmap, but we know how hard it is, especially for community members just in general, to go out and feel safe, to feel included. And that's important for us, is to give a space that everybody is welcome.
And also for the older generation, you know, because nowadays the younger generation, they want to go to the clubs, that nightlife.
These young kids,
right?
they know nothing.
So it's just kind of like, I'm older, you know what I mean, and I want to be able to just go sit down and not have to be in a club and you know, and dance the night away. We just want to chill
Work
out,
those old
you know.
knees.
And there's a lot of older athletes that just have spaces to go. Like we have a lot of the regulars that are very excited that we're there, and we never knew that they were in part of the community, you know, the queer community, but they are, and they're very grateful. So that's, we already know that we're winning on that part.
Yeah,
so.
I know they have a place to go.
Yeah.
That's so cool. When people come to the locker room, what can they expect?
Every sports game imaginable.
Yes.
Yes, every sports game. We focus on a lot of the women's sports, you know, so that's been a big thing, like the women's gymnastics, basketball. But it's just, we have every sport. So like anytime anyone, or we're huge on the Premier League now with the Salt Lake City Spurs. So we're grateful that they're there religiously. So we're starting to get more of those clubs reaching out.
Yes, and just loving it.
Yeah.
Okay, you also host a number of fun events. Tell us about those.
I mean, we've had a few big events. We had a really successful Halloween party that we hosted, and then a Christmas party. And we're taking reservations for the big game on February 11th.
Woo!
So get your spot now, because our limited space is filling up quickly.
Okay, get your spot now.
Yeah, and we also host, like, you can come watch a football game and then watch our tailgate drag brunch.
Amazing.
You know, that we host on Saturdays that will continue again in the spring on the patio. So.
Oh, so much fun. Okay, you have a mission to build Sugar House's nightlife. Tell us more about that.
You know, we've been working with a lot of the other businesses in the community. I mean, just in our little group circle, we have Tazante, Sugar House Coffee, Quarter Salt Lake City, Hopkins Brewing, that we're all working really closely with. And right now we're working on Sugar House Pride. That's going to be the weekend of June 22nd.
Okay.
That's how we're trying to build the nightlife, because Sugar House has been struggling with construction. People just aren't willing to weather the traffic and the construction to come to the area.
Right.
Yeah, and Sugar House is such a gem. There are so many wonderful businesses, including yours. We want to come support. Where can we go? What's the best place to go? You want to go to website, or where is it?
You can visit our social media on Facebook and Instagram, Salt Lake City, or the Locker Room SLC.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
we have a really good social media coordinator.
Well, you know,
She's very active on it.
The goal is to bring everybody back to Sugar House, because that was the spot to be at back in the 90s before anyone went downtown. So we're going to bring that life and soul back.
Yes, let's do it. Okay, make sure to visit The Locker Room. Thank you so much, Sean and Lynn.
Guys.
Great to see you.
Thank you.